All right, boys and girls, before we get into this video, I'm doing a pop-up tomorrow, July 28th, the Empire Room, Dallas, Texas. I'm gonna have a bunch of clothes, a bunch of accoutrements. There's gonna be a shit ton of vendors. So if you guys are into vintage, into clothing, just wanna chop it up with me, then definitely pull up, show up, and show out. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay. Hey guys, hey. All right, ladies and germs, what's up? And what's glorious, there's a highway right there, but there's a Goodwill right here. So we got a brand new trip to the Thrift today. It's actually like in the earlier, I guess, low 80s, late 70s in terms of degrees. It's a beautiful day. Look at this random truck Jeep hybrid thing. Anyways, let's go to Goodwill and see what they got in today's trip to the Thrift. Bro, they got a whole covered wagon in Goodwill. This on some Oregon Trail steez. We also got some baby chupacabra cages.
Oh my God!
Bro, the furniture section is just lit up in here, dude. All right, anyways, let's see what they got in the clothes section. Oh yes, baby, it's lit. All right, so the covered wagon is $400, which is out of this world, dude. They're tripping on that. But I think I have to drop the 400 on it, because I have the full matching button-up set to go with it on some real Western shit, some Red Dead Redemption steez. These are cool. They're by Frontier Series, so I think it's just meant to be. Hillbilly Cantu's back up in here, boys.
Ever better?
Bro,
Active duty military.
why is she yelling?
Retired military, first responder.
Oh my god, she's so loud. All right, so she's done blabbing, dude. She was dead ass screaming on the mic. Anyways, look at this fireball, dude. You got the Harley Davidson Rotan Honduras. This pirate is whipping off the plank. That is dangerous, and he better pray to God that his bike turns into a jet ski, because as soon as he hits that water, it's over with, bro. That chrome getting rusted. Pretty dope little t-shirt. I think I'm gonna grab it. Oh, tough, bro. Look at that. Lion order.
Lion order.
Jeez. Hey, shout out the new Lion King movie. That thing went off. Also, shout out these Yeezys, brothers. Wow, I can't believe it. $8.
I invested my own money and lost money.
Oh, bruh. They got that Zaboomafoo? Oh, wait, that's like a panther. I thought that was a lemur. Huh, I'm tripping. Bro, I know y'all see this, man. Botanist Cantu in this biatch, yeah. All right, so I got this giant plant. Sorry I'm yelling. It's just cars, traffic, all that. Oh man, I feel bad for taking that Harley shirt. The dude with the motorcycle is right here. All right, anyways guys, shout out that Harley. We're at the next store right now, which is a Goodwill. The reason why I got that plant in the first place was for my pop-up in September 15th. So stay tuned for that. And also, dude, I'm trying to save the planet. It's our future and shit with this reusable, renewable bag. So actually, a supporter of mine in New York, she came up and gave me these. She was like the mom of some other fans of mine. I don't know, just an amazing experience. Anyways, I'm finally putting your bags to good use if you're watching, and I love you like my second mother. Let's get in there and find some stuff. All right, baby, look at that. The first little find in this store indicates my mood. It is the grumpy embroidered dad hat. Now, I am gonna get this because I am pretty disgruntled with the fact that Goodwill put all their discount days all in a one day. So basically making veterans, elderly people, and teachers all compete on the same day for the same products kind of sucks. But anyways, get off my high horse. A dope piece I found is this Team Nike Texas A&M full tracksuit. Obviously I went to the University of Texas, so it's like fuck A&M, but at the same time this is just a clean piece, so I gotta get it. And this is hitting the site thriftandvintage.com, you dig, because I'm not holding on to this at all. All right, dude, despite there being a lot of people in this store, I still am coming away with some Scores Dead Stock Champion Eco crew neck to go with my little Eco bags. And then you have the Nike Made in USA Vintage Essential Gray crew neck. That's just a must-have in any collection. Oh, I also got this Tommy button-up right here. Nice little flannel, cool colorway. Got the crest right there. Big flag. I'll take it. Damn, daddy. Hey, I found another little headwear accessory. This is a vintage little NBA strap bag by the game. Nuggets ignorantly embroidered the game logo right there in silver. Evidently only 5,000 of these were made. This is number 1543. Dude, this is a cool hat, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this dude right here. I haven't seen a crazy like curved brim vintage hat really ever, dude. I mean, I probably have, let's not be dramatic, but this thing is like extraordinary. I'll take it. All right, guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh man, I honestly really like having the Goodwill bags and thumbnails. That's the only reason I haven't used these. Sorry if it's really windy too, by the way. I have a hard time depicting how much the wind interferes with the audio, but I mean, we got a couple, got a couple big bags full of stuff. I want to show y'all a few of the finds right now that I got as well that I didn't record in the store because they're pretty cool. All right, so here are the 4 little finds that I got. Actually, I got 5 finds, but I got 4 VHSs, NFL's 100 toughest players. This is really cool. I got the 100 greatest tackles as well. I got the all-time best. Now this VHS is from 1987. It got Walter Payton right there on the front.
Walter Payton, in a class by himself, the premier running back in all of pro football.
That's pretty crazy, dude. That is so old. It's gonna have a lot of old school players, and obviously he's gonna forget some GOATs because they weren't in the league yet. And then last but not least, I got the Hungry Man Presents, the NFL's hungriest men of the 90s. What on earth does that even mean? I've seen them Hungry Man commercials back in the day, so this is really funny to get.
In my line of work, I really build up an appetite. And I tackle it with Swanson Hungry Man dinners and pot pies.
So yeah, 4 VHSs. All of them were like 50 cents each. Shout out that boy Fitty. And then I also got this single stitch vintage tee. It is a Screen Stars Best Tag, made in USA, and it is repping Tiki Island. I used to go swimming at Bayou Vista. For anyone who lives on Tiki Island, you know what I'm talking about. So this is just a soft vintage t-shirt, very simple graphic, and it actually has something to do with my childhood. So I figured, why not for $2? We single stitching this bitch. All right, on to the next.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, bro, the homie just ran up on me at the stoplight. It was hilarious. Hey, what's your name, bro?
Huh?
What's your name?
Mark.
Mark? I fucking love you, Mark. All right, guys, so we're in the next spot right now, which is Bayou Village. And I got the Brett Favre Wrangler Real Comfortable Jeans
I'm comfortable in Wrangler.
jersey right here. It's like $7. And then I found these Polo Ralph Lauren trunks, but it appears someone got cut in the crotch region. There is just menstruation all over these guys. Ew. I don't know exactly what happened. Someone fumbled a bag of hot Cheetos. No idea. But we'll see if there's anything else in here. It's looking like slim pickings, guys. Oh, dude, I might have to take that back. Look at the pattern on this polo. Let's see. Oh, we got another crazy pattern on this polo shirt. I love loud 90s polos. Look at, come on, bro. Look at that Izod vertically striped. Okay, okay. The polo section may just be coming through for me. We'll see what else they got. Bro. Oh my dear God, dude. I am blessed. I came in well, I came in the big polo section. And bro, I came up with that Coogee Mickey collab. Look at that boy putting like it's nothing. Dude, this is amazing. The next Masters champion is definitely gonna be Mickey Mouse right here. Oh, this bad boy is $4, double XL. So big boys, you might want to check out thriftheavenvintage.com because we got something for you, man. I don't know, man. I might have to rock this myself. I'm tall and lanky. Sometimes I can pull off them big boy polos if I need to. This thing is an absolute blessing. Oh, man, dude. It's like a gift from God. Just chilling, bro. You got that blue little pearl snap button up. Don't mind if I do. Yeah, they got a few vintage blanks. They got a bunch of American flag ones. I might grab these and make a couple customs, putting a dope logo right here. Yeah, I just might have to. Boy, this store is definitely coming through for Cantu today, baby. Look at this. He got a little Tweety bird on the basketball. I really hope this thing inflates. It says,
I thought I saw a putty cat.
yeah, it's saying I thought I saw a pussycat. Dude, shout out Sylvester and Tweety. Both of them have speech impediments.
A Tweety bird? A Tweety bird?
It's pretty nice, man. $5. YOLO. Bro, they just hopped on the speaker and said everything is half off. So let's go in the short section. Banana shorts, copping. These multicolored shorts, copping. These USA 1994 World Cup shorts, copping. Oh my good Lord. God bless. Hell yeah, baby. So I'm walking out of Bayou Village. Bro, I got 2 reusable bags full of heat, bro. It's about that time. My glasses got all bent up and are barely hanging on to my ear, which is a sad day. But hey, it is what it is, man. I pillaged the village. Everything was half off. Blessings, baby. Blessings. Whew. All right, guys. So we're in the next spot right now, which is the Family Thrift Outlet. This one is on Hillcroft, and this is very unfortunate, guys. They just have a bunch of formal stuff. Really, it all appears to be really boring. But I did manage to find one cool vintage windbreaker. It is a Reebok joint right here. It is listed as $9, $10, but today it is $2. So I'm gonna grab it with that little piece of jewelry. Yep. Bro, what the hell is this? It's like Toronto Raptors looking. It has a T and an R. But I guess since I don't know what it is, it must be art. Bud Dry. Ew, it sounds disgusting. Hey, this shirt is freaking amazing though. It has one crazy sleeve, nice vertical stripe, double color blocking. Yeah, man, this thing is cool. I don't know what Bud Dry is, but I would never put it up to my mouth. But hey, this Bud's for you.
Try Bud Dry. It's cold filtered for smooth draft taste and dry brewed for no aftertaste. So when it comes to refreshment, nothing's missing.
All right. I managed to find a couple more t-shirts. Just a little Aflac racing shirt. It's okay. You got the Indianapolis 500 tee. This is cool. It's a Logo 7 vintage. But bro, this shirt right here is just jacked up, dude. Why on earth do they have Bambi's head on one of these little display board things? What is that called? Taxidermied. That's messed up, bro. It doesn't even have its antlers yet. This is just disrespectful. Whoever made this shirt, man, you must hate cartoons, bro. Honestly. And that ain't cool, man, because cartoons, they're everything. Yo, I dead ass think that the dude who murdered Bambi was rocking this, man. Look at this Chaps Ralph Lauren piece, bro. This is on some outdoorsman steez. It's fly though, for sure. Denim collar, oh my gosh. Yo, this vintage tee looks like a little package of tropical starburst. Delicious. Tigger rocking the Pooh slippers. What a friend. Whoa, look at these crazy all over prints, man. You have the Machiavelli. Holla when you hear me. That's dope. I usually don't go for stuff like this. Why is there Chinese lettering on the back? Okay, that just made this whack. But this looks really cool frontally speaking. I thought it was vintage when I first saw it. But this John right here, bro. I mean, this was like in the big boy section. You have the All-Stars Mickey Mouse hockey jersey, red, white, and blue. Mickey 1928 on the back. Look at him, man. Dead mouse with the Sticks logo. Yeah, I'm taking this. I got to. Too icy. I feel you icy. Jeez. Guys, right along the same theme. You got a hockey jersey and you got a Mickey find. I actually have a hand-painted version of this hockey jersey. It's like a CCM jersey. I do believe this is like a Soviet or like a Russian team. Like that looks like a 4 and then you have letters. So definitely that's a language I don't understand. But look at these class acts. You got Mickey and Minnie. Earth toned out, boy. Oh, hello. Wow, they low-key thick. Yeah, I gotta get both of these guys right here. This colorway is just so nice. Snap, bro. I guess the sexiness just continues. You got the University of Michigan Pro Player, bruh. Look at that ignorantly large tag. That honestly is one of the coolest logos. Yeah, this jacket is a little dirty, but ain't too shabby for daddy. Little italicized font on the back. Pro Player P with the lightning striking. That's dope. Oh Lord, these dudes got that neck. 1989? Whoa, that's super old. Wow, look at this dude. Not phased by anything. They got the scampering squad of giraffes. Nice, single stitch, clean. Bro, Lil Pump, educate yourself, man. Check out this gem. There's no freaking way, bro. You got the Harvard cut and sew crew neck. This colorway is absolutely amazing. Kind of similar to that Mickey Mouse theme going on. That's as clean as it gets, boys. As clean as it gets. Guys, I've done it again. He's done it again. I've done it again, guys. So I don't particularly fuck with this brand heavily. I don't ride any brand's koch. I don't really ride any man's koch. Debatable, shout out Kinky, tripping. But we do have a brand that is highly desired, highly respected and revered, I guess, by the hype beasts. Bro, we got Off-White in the Thrift once again, ladies and gentlemen. Bro, this is absolutely insane. Now, I don't really like any hyped on stuff because I think it's just a little whack to pay high prices for stuff that everyone wears to be cool when some of the pieces don't look necessarily as cool. With that being said though, Virgil is a beast of an artist. Conceptually, Off-White goes hard in the paint. I don't know if this is authentic or a gimmick, but I'll just show you guys, you know, all the ins and outs of it, I guess. It does look clean. It has that Off-White tag, really good material. It's all embroidered right here. Got this little pull tab right there. And then the material does feel very good. It says Off-White, Virgil Abloh on the tag. Then it says made in Italy, which is where his office is based out of, Milano, Italy. And then it has this striped kind of like construction road work tag on it. So yeah guys, I mean, we got Off-White in the Thrift, bitches. You dig? $2. I mean, I would never spend retail or resell on this brand, but for $2, my size, I'm blessed with it. It's crazy, it's incredulous, but it's here. Hey, fuck with your boy, man.
Fuck with me.
Bro, yo, you have got to be joking me. Look at this, another Nike Boys 1, 2, 3 stripes. Look at that, Nike white tag. Boom, big logo on the back. Sheesh, that's nuts. Bro, I've heard of Polo Sport, but Nautica Sport? Stop it, Nautica. You're doing too much, but just enough. All right, guys, and we are out of there. So shout out Family Thrift once again for always coming through for your boy. No, I did not steal this. And he's gonna wear something after I like leave the thrift store. You guys accuse me of thievery. No, I just wore it because it's too big for these reusable bags. But just look at this stack of reusable bags in the back of the whip. Yes, I have no seats back here. Why? Hostage taking purposes, no duh. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you see anything you guys would like, check out thriftheavenvintage.com. That is my vintage website, steals and deals. It's uploaded. Follow the Instagram to stay up to date on when the site has uploads and new drops. Anyways, man, I love y'all like my kids, for real, for real. Catch me September 15th at my pop-up in Houston. All the info is down below. Enough chit chat. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.